What's up, little chuckles? What we're going to do is, for this video, is we're going to take a look at example 2. We are going to do a full, get rid of that, a full problem here. Hopefully we can get through it all. We only have 5 minutes per video. If not, I'll just, we'll pause it and pick up where we left off. As we're going to do this. So as I said in the previous video, most of the things that you're going to need to work through a 2-sample z-test for difference between means, a lot of that's the same from chapter 7. So let's see if we can't get started with this. Over here, as you can see, I have this little red friend right here. That's a little browser-based TI-84 that we're going to use to get our p-value here, but let's take a look at example 2, and I'm going to try and write on this like our friend Mr. Khan from Khan Academy. We'll see how that goes. So this problem, example 2, says a consumer education organization claims that there is a difference in the mean credit card debt of males and females in the United States. The results of a random survey of 200 individuals from each group is shown at the left. The 2 samples are independent. Do the results support the organization's claim? And it gives us our level of significance right here. It kind of, I needed to have the sample data over here, so I didn't cover the first part of the solution. But step 1 for us is going to be we need to write out our null and alternative hypothesis. And it's going to look a little bit different than what we did before. Let me see here. How come I can't just do, we'll do blue. Okay, so our first step, we can say it's step 1. Oh, look at that. That looks weird. But pretend that's step 1. We're going to write out our null and alternative hypothesis. So, we're going to have H sub 0 is our null hypothesis. I have my little guys right there. And it's going to be mu1. Let me see if I can do a mu1 equals, mu2. So the good thing is it looks like a 3-year-old wrote this. So we're all set with that. So mu1 equals mu2. And in the alternative hypothesis right here, for this problem, we're going to have mu1 does not equal mu2. So you're probably saying, why is it equal and does not equal here? What's happening with that? Why did you choose to have that be our deals here? Well, let's look at what it says in the problem. It says that the claim is that there is a difference in mean credit card debt. So the thing you're going to be looking for in these problems with that is, what is the language that's being used there? If it says a difference, that just means something is different about it. It does not give us an example, and we'll go into an example later, whether it says greater than or equal to, greater than, less than, and all that. So if it says there's a difference, you're going to use the pairing of equals and does not equals. The other thing we need to do is we need to say which one of these null or alternative hypotheses is our claim. So you can kind of see right here in the solution right here, but it says that the claim is that there is a difference. So if there is a difference, they do not equal each other. Let me choose a different color here. So our claim is going to be this guy. Let's see if I can get better at writing words with my little guy right here. Not really. So it's going to look weird for the whole time. So here's our first step. Okay. We need to get that going right here. And it's telling me my recording will end in 26 seconds. So we'll just say this is step 1 on our example right here. I'll dismiss this and I will pause our video and catch up with step 2. Bye-bye.